Oh my gosh, she's loving it. Here, baby. Come here. Help mommy feed Am. What are you drinking?
Watermelon.
What's that? Is that watermelon? Can mama have some? Ah! Owie! Okay, mama have some too, okay? Is it good? Oh. Gotta grab some milk. $9.20. Hi, bud. Good afternoon, guys. It is Tuesday, the day after Labor Day, and I am just running some errands for the house. I am out at Trader Joe's grabbing some groceries. Let's see. I specifically came here for these kettle popcorn, and guess what? They freaking discontinued it. Why? Why, Sassy?
Oh, no.
Why, Sassy? Why did they discontinue my kettle corn? That is so rude.
Oh, no.
Ah! Preston.
Oh, no. Mama!
Preston!
You want some goat milk?
Well, that's that. So now I'm gonna have to source it on Amazon and probably pay a premium just to eat that stupid popcorn. Jameson kind of fits in this thing now, guys. His belly's all out and he's wearing a Santa suit in September.
You're gonna let me eat.
Preston, you got it? Preston. How's it going? Are you shopping for mama? Preston, go. Yeah, go. Good job. Go. Go. Thank you. Preston, say hi. Whoa! This way. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch out for people's cars, buddy. Whoa! Why did you let it go? Come on, Don. Got it? Okay, let's load up our groceries. You gonna help mama? Okay. Okay, put it in. Put the stuff in the car. Okay, ready? Heavy, huh? Okay, ready? Here, ready? Mo height back. Here, buddy. Whoa. Thank you, Preston. Okay, don't forget the milk, baby. Got it? Thank you, Preston. Thank you. We're going to cook. I'm making turkey spaghetti. Sassy is looking up a recipe for shakshuka. Yummy, yummy. I love shakshuka. So I am boiling the water right now for the angel hair spaghetti. And then in this pot, I'm going to start making the sauce. Amazing. You guys, I think we did good for our first shakshuka. It looks amazing. Was it easy, Sassy?
It was.
Okay. Hi, Preston. Okay, let's try our shakshuka, guys. Let's see if it's good. Preston, you want to try some? Oh.
Mama.
Hi, baby.
No, Mama.
No what?
No, Mama.
No what, baby? Here, you ready? Oh, sorry.
Ow.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hi, Mama.
Oh, okay. Here, try it. Eat it?
No.
No? Okay, Mama eat. Mmm, delicious.
You want some, Preston?
Mmm, thank you.
Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm, okay.
Say. Sassy.
Yeah.
Say.
No, it's not
No,
dry.
it's not. Actually, it is kind of.
It is a little?
From the chili powder.
Mmm. Mmm, good.
Mama.
Mmm.
I'm gonna make it with mushrooms too.
Sassy.
Mmm.
Mama. Mama.
Yes, baby. It was really good.
Cheers.
It's either really good or we're starving.
I think it's both.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, my name's Preston.
Hello.
Narika. Hi, my name's Preston. What's hot?
Mama.
Yes, baby, I'm right here.
Mama.
Oh my god, you're so scary. So I said in my last vlog, if you guys caught it, that Preston is starting school. Now the reason I never even talked about it until last week's vlog was because I didn't really expect him to go to school. And all my friends were sending their kids to school who are Preston's age. And I never really thought about putting him in school because I thought like you had to be like at least 3 or 4 to go to school. But I found this program where they take young kids like 2 years old. I don't know what it's called, like a pre-K or pre-K. But he's only doing 2 days a week, a couple hours a day. Basically has a little curriculum that he follows, but it's a whole year. And I'm really excited because I called up the school and I was like, hey, I know I'm a little late, but are there any slots left? And luckily there were a few slots left, so they put my name down. We have orientation tomorrow and then he starts school on Monday, you guys. I cannot believe it, my little baby is going to school. I'm just going to be a hot mess on Monday. I already know it. I'm gonna drop him off, then drive to Starbucks, get myself a coffee and wait for him to get off because I'm just gonna cry all day. Preston, you ready for school?
No.
So that's what's kind of been going on. And today I went to go get all his like immunization stuff. Oh, you're disgusting, Preston.
Ha.
Ew, don't do that. That's disgusting. So here's the spaghetti that I made earlier. He prefers these pasta. I found out in Vegas that he really likes those as opposed to the spaghetti. So I am making it for him to eat. And you guys know he has issues with eating. He's super picky. Hey, dude, there's a napkin right here. Nah, do you mean it? Preston. Hey, come here, away from mommy. You're going to school. Are you excited? Preston's going to school. Preston's going to school. Preston, are you excited? Yeah? Come on, baby. Nắm tay mommy. Nắm tay mommy na.
Thank you, Luke.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna have your own little.
Oh.
Let's go find your
Okay.
teacher.
Come on, let's go find your teacher. This way.
Mama.
Hi, baby. Yes. Look, Preston, look. Your name. That's you, Gong. So we finished with orientation today, meeting the teacher. I got to go hang out in Preston's classroom and get to know his teacher and all that good stuff. And I think I'm going to be a hot mess on Monday when he starts school because he's growing up! Your brother's leaving us, Gong. You're happy? You're happy your brother's leaving us? What the heck? Why are you? You're not nice. I went to Discount Tires because we had to go pump the tires. Apparently it just gets so low here in Colorado because of the elevation. I don't know, we just got new tires and it keeps getting low, but just a tip, you can go to Discount Tires and they will do a free air check for you and they'll pump your tires to what it needs to be. Okay, so what do we get at Walmart? What is that?
Oh, the best.
I'm
Dude,
excited.
I'm telling you, this stuff is like magic.
Stop.
No, it's so good.
Did you get the other thing?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. It smells so good.
You're gonna go home and wash your hair now?
Now. Right now. Jameson, are you ready to eat, buddy? Hello? Hello? Preston, is your dinosaur okay? Is he okay? He's hurt? Okay. Sit. Hold me. Okay. Good job. Alrighty, guys. Let's feed little Jamesy. We've got avocado, organic, with formula. I think he likes it.
Well, from Massachusetts to California to New York, the far left of the Democratic
Yummy, huh, baby? Huh, baby, yummy.
Party appreciating his party orthodoxy. Richard Nixon has been on the party for campaigns, which I'll be asking. He joins us now. So, I think we just spoke to a woman who's likely to be a big-time DA in the Boston area. She's explaining.
I'm finally done with dinner. I cooked a little stir-fry, shrimp stir-fry veggies for dinner, and the kids are fed. You saw that we are starting Jameson on solids now. So the last few days he's been eating cereal with Preston. I didn't really give him cereal until probably maybe like 7-8 months because I thought it was just a filler. But I found out that after 6 months, your breast milk really changes and it lacks iron. So the cereal really helps with the iron. So that's why I'm feeding Jameson cereal since he is exclusively breastfed. Today I gave him some avocados and I mixed it with some formula because I didn't have any breast milk on standby. All my breast milk is frozen and I just gave him a little bit to eat and he took it really well. I think he really liked it. I think Jameson is going to be a really good eater because he's already showing lots of signs of interest that he wants to eat because every time he sees us eating, he looks at the food and he looks at our mouths and he's like, it's super cute. After I'm done filming this little segment, I'm going to edit the vlog and get it up for you guys. Also, one other thing. I bought this SK2 when I was in Japan and they had this little gift set. So I bought the whole set and this is my first time using SK2, but oh my lord. This thing is not cheap, you guys. I think it's like 180 or 200 bucks, okay? It's definitely not cheap, but here is my justification for using it. So you should invest in yourself, okay? Because you are worth it and you deserve it, okay guys? I had that SK2 saved up because I wanted to, I don't know, I have this weird thing. Whenever I buy stuff, I never use it right away. I always just leave it there and save it for a special occasion. And then most of the time, I forget that I even have it. This time, I was like, you know what am I saving this for? I'm just gonna bust it out and use it because I freaking deserve it. And the first night I used it, there was a significant difference in my skin already. I will probably never ever not use an essence again because before I was using SK2, I was using the It Cosmetics one and that was fabulous, you guys. That lasted me probably half a year, and it was just the best thing ever, because without the essence, your skin just doesn't feel hydrated. As soon as I use the essence, I feel like my skin, it acts as like a primer for your moisturizer, so you don't end up using a lot of moisturizer. And I feel my skin very like supple throughout the day, and it's glowing, it looks healthy. This SK2 is going to be my holy grail item. So I've been using that. This is my second day already, and I can already feel my skin, like the difference it makes. I'm gonna show you guys in the mirror because I see what difference my skin, no, you know, should I do it right here? Yeah, do you guys see this? Do you see this? Like, my skin looks glowy, it's healthy. You guys, that is the SK2 working, okay? Totally not sponsored, but if you guys want to sponsor me, myhouseofcolor@gmail.com, okay? Secondly, I'm really excited to shower because when we were in Cali, I ran out of conditioner and I was like, Mom, I need some conditioner. And she had packed, I'll show you guys what she packed. She packed this thing, and it smelled so freaking good when she used it. And then when I used it, I was like, wow. It really, really helped my hair. Whenever I wash my hair, you guys, it's just hella tangly, it's so dry, and it's dead basically. So I haven't really found a conditioner that that really helps with my hair. And so when I used this, I was like, okay, I need to buy that ASAP because it works wonders. So Ashley actually bought me this, and she also said that the shampoo and conditioner duo works really, 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 really well. So I'm excited to shower and try this out. I will let you guys know how I feel about it after I use it. Hi, baby.
Hey.
I'm right here. Are you looking for Mama? Hi, baby.
Hi, Mama.
Hi.
Hey, Mama.
Where are you?
Ow.
What's this?
Ow.
What happened?
Ow.
Ow?
Pee.
Pee pee? Okay.
Hello.
You need a poo poo or pee pee?
Hello.
Hello?
Pee pee.
You need a pee pee?
Pee pee. Pee pee.
Let's go pee pee then, okay? Let's go pee pee. Come on.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, bye. Let's go pee pee.
Okay, Mama.
You want a thumb?
Ja.
Thumb with Mama?
Okay, Mama.
Okay. Mini thumb, okay?
Ja.
Okay, Mama thumb. Mama thumb. What's that?
Puppy.
Okay, thank you. Here, look. You put this in here. Go. See? See this?
Hello.
You're welcome. Okay, let's say bye, okay?
Bye.
Love you.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Oh no. Okay, say bye, Digang.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye.
Home, Digang. Home.
Ah. Ooh, ah.
Good job.